welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Hobbiters and this is our extra math challenge for today. Find the values of p such that 2x squared minus 3x plus 5p is equal to 0 and has two real roots. So, since we are gonna find the real solutions, we will set our discriminant as greater than 0. Now our question is, what are the values of these variables? So let us remember that the standard equation for a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means that the coefficient of x squared is the value of our a, and the coefficient of x is our b, and the constant is our c. So we have now a value of a of 2 and a value of b of -3 and a c of positive 5p. So now, since we have the values for our variables, we can now substitute these values to the inequality. So our b is -3, so we have -3 squared minus 4, and our a is 2 times c, which is 5p, and it must be greater than 0. So let us simplify this inequality. We have 9 minus -4 times 2 is 8 times 5p, and we would have a -40p is greater than 0. So transpose -9 to the right hand side, and we would have a -9. So in order to get p, we would divide both sides by -40. So now we have p is less than 9/40. Remember that since we divided both sides by a negative number, the symbol or the inequality would always get reversed. So the value of our p is less than 9/40, or in simplest form is 3 over that's the simplest form, 9/40. So to check that our p value is less than 940, we will substitute random variable that can be true in terms of this expression. So to put it simply, we would just use 0, since 0 is less than 9/40. So since we have let p is equal to 0, we would now get this equation: 2x squared minus 3x plus 5, and the value of our p is 0, is equal to 0. So simplify, we have 2x squared minus 3x and plus 5 times 0 is 0, so we don't need to write that. So we would just write equal 0. And as you have noticed that we can factor this equation. So we have now x times 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And to find the solutions, we will equate the factors by 0. So our first factor is x, so I equate it to 0, so the first value of x is 0. So now to find the second value of x, we will equate the second factor, which is 2x minus 3, to 0, and we would get a value of 3 over 2. And since the two solutions are real numbers, we can now say that p, the value of p is less than 940. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. So peace out.